a sharp nail?
No.
I'm getting a video of this. I did. I got it on video.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys video?
Okay, they're like hurting each other, and I'm starting to feel bad for them.
We'll just drop all the seeds and let
How
them go.
many birds can land on one? Oh, okay.
Okay, you gotta pick up the trash.
Okay, now you're coming home with me, so come on, let's go. Let's go.
Down at the bag.
Oh, now they think I have a bag.
Where'd it go?
Kids.
Oh, on me. Get on my arm.
Wait, did they like recognize the? Oh my god.
Oh, John, I'm trying to video and then this one got on my arm.
This is on the camera.
They still think you have.
Okay, can I just put this in my pocket?
Put this one like in my pocket. Oh, Gianna, you like them. Oh, look at this one. Look at the color of this one.
No, come back.
Did you see that one? Look, it's a mix. Gianna, it's a mix. That one over there.
Okay, let's go.
Look, it's on her head.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't actually have anything.
Gianna, the same one's on your head. It's still just sitting on your head. Gianna, just you can walk with it. Jeez.
Can't wait for him to go.
Right on the head. Oh. Come on here.
I want you to stay here and bird.
Come on over here. Right over here. There you go.
You got nothing there. Right?
There it is. Oh, look at the bird. He's curious.
Now they're like, oh, you
Jenna, see, I don't need anything in my hand. I didn't use seeds yet. Here it is, the bird. It's on me. I have no seeds. Mine's just on me because he wants to. I have no seeds. Oh, never mind. He left.
He's like all like Charlie.
Oh. Come on, you want to fly on top? Tiana. Come on over here. Oh my god, they're like Charlie. They're hand fed or something.
You're all dirty.
I don't care.
Like,
Mom, you're shaking the camera. Jeez. It's just like Charlie, yeah? They're hand
clip
fed.
its wings.
Hand fed. Come on. There you go. Take you with me? No. I like.
Here, come with me. Come on. Charlie, get back over here.
Charlie. Come on, Jonah.
Oh, come on. There is something in here. There's got to be something. Come on. Don't just touch me. Come on.
Do you like them better than Charlie?
Now we can go. Hurry up. Clip its wings. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have anything.
We have to go.
Oh,
Bye-bye, birds.